What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel and another video. Today we're going to be doing a flip cup with a whole bunch of colors. I have a violet, a silver, titanium white, light blue, cerulean blue, phthalo blue. We got all the blues. And with that, let's go. Let's do this. All right. So all these colors are mixed, 2 parts pouring medium to 1 part paint. Wow, that was interesting. Static in the cup, kind of pulling it along. All right, I want to pop a silver. Now the silver is a lot thicker, but I wanted to keep the same consistency, so I might have added about 2.5 parts pouring medium to that silver paint because it is thicker just naturally. All right, let's get some of these beautiful colors in here. Ooh, let's not spill yet. We got the spill coming soon. We're not ready for it yet. We'll let that churn through the dark blue a little bit. I think it'll cause some really cool gradients. Now these colors are very thin, with the exception of the silver. The silver is still a little thick. But how's everybody doing today? Yes, I'm talking to you. How are you doing today? I hope you're doing great. And I'm glad that you're here with me. And we're doing this little 10-minute art session together. So if you want to paint along, go ahead and grab your paints, grab your sticks, pause this video, and we will continue painting together once you have your colors mixed up. I think that'd be so cool. It's like, just have a bunch of you like over here, just a huge table, and everybody's got their own canvas and colors on there, and we're all just having a good time kind of just playing in the paints. That would be so cool. But this is what we have to work with. So I am so pleased to be here with you guys. 2024, brand new year. Let's all make it a beautiful year and create our own happiness, you guys. Just take everything one day at a time and just kind of just let it happen. Control what you can control, but release the things you can't. Because trying to control things that you can't is just going to cause you stress and frustration. And that's the whole purpose of this art form, is to kind of just let that go. You know what I mean? Just be free, be in the moment, be present, just watching the paint, controlling that chaos just a little bit. You're just offering that slight amount of control to this chaos. Honestly, that's all you can do. All right, let's finish layering up this cup real quick. I do have some white left over, which I'm happy about, because I can go and around the rim of the cup after the flip. Yeah. All right, here we go. Look at that thing. Those stripes and colors look so nice. All right. Well, it was not as messy as it could have been. It could have been way worse. Maybe in the years I've been doing this, I'm getting better at the splat. All right, well, there's the white. All right. Ooh, this is the fun part, watching all the magic come out of this cup. All right, let's see what we got. Ooh, that's pretty. Ooh. I like that. We got a couple bubbles. I'm gonna just pop those now. So while the paint's spreading, it can continue to do whatever it's gonna do, but at least we'll have some cells going in it. That's an odd thing. The silver kind of turned almost into a bronze kind of color. That's different. All right, we've got those cells. All those glorious, beautiful little cells. I think we got all the paint we're gonna get out of this cup right there. All right, well, I like it. Looks very, very nice and natural. Yeah, that silver created, maybe it's just a reflection of the ceiling that's showing me that color. I'm not sure, but we are about ready to spin it. Now, I always think about it before I do the spin. Some of this is going to go off, so you might maintain about that much. So manipulate that section however you need to get it towards the center. Now, I really like this dark blue, and I know if I was to spin it, I would lose a lot of that. So I just place that closer to the middle. Now I know that I'll keep those blues there. Now I'm going to lose a little excess over here, and that's okay, because we have enough paint. So we'll just give it a nice light spin. But I maintained that dark blue like I wanted to, because it was in the center. And remember those tiny cells we had, they grew very large now. And this gives us the option to go back through and warm it up again to see if we can generate additional cells. And we will. Some more cells will pop up to the surface. So we'll have a nice combination of some really large bubbly cells, and then you're going to have little ones scattered throughout. Man, I really like how delicate that violet came out. Looking really good. I kind of want to see what I can get in that section, if anything. Yeah, all that did was bring some of that light blue to the surface there. And then we get that bloom of cells in that section. Let's see what else. Right there. And that's about it. Just lightly kissing those areas with the torch to kind of reveal a little extra. But let me bring you guys down. I want you to see this thing. Can't wait for you to see it dry, because then the silver's really going to be popping. Alright, so you can see there's really, really tiny cells, and they're all within the larger cells that we got before we spun it, before we got the stretch. So there's just tiny little cells within them. And we kept the dark blue towards the center of the canvas, is what we were trying to do.
If you want to watch another video just like this, click the screen right now and I'll see you there.